everyone! Today we have this giant rainbow surprise egg. I'm so excited to see what's inside. Let's open it up. Oh look, it's a cute little unicorn. Look what I found inside the surprise egg. It's the cutest little rainbow unicorn. Okay, Rainbow Sparkle, meet your new friend, Dino Bob. Hi. Oh no! Our tower fell down, but don't worry. Rainbow Sparkle has magic word with— Shh, what's inside? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow, look at all these sparkly gems. They're beautiful. Whoa, this gem is glowing. It's working. Look, the rainbow castle is shining. A magical fairy. What a wonderful time we had today. I'm sending a big hug to everyone and a special hug for our unicorn. See you soon, friends. Bye.